Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send from your Ellipal Titan 2.0, how to send assets from it. To do it, you'll need to have your app opened on the phone, and you'll need to have your cold wallet connected to the app. If you don't know how to do it, there is a video on it on our channel. Now select send here at the top, then select what to send, and I'll be sending USDC, so let's select that. Now I'm gonna click on max next to the amount to send the full amount. Then also enter receiving address. You can scan it. I think I have it copied, so I'm just gonna paste it, right? Now you can also add a note to it, and you will have the estimated network fee. And you can see that I'm sending USDC over Solana network, but the network fee is in Solana, so you need to have Solana in your balance. But as you can see, I have it, and I do have more than it's needed for the network fee. So I'll just click on done, then click on submit. Now click on I'm ready, and you'll need to take your cold wallet to sign it. So select Solana, then click on sign. Now I'm gonna slide these transaction details down. Of course, it's worth reading the details here. Now I'll enter the password for my device. Click on confirm, and you can see it starting the camera. I'll need to scan these 4 QR codes. Once they are scanned, I need to click on OK, verify these data, then click on OK, and click on scan signed data QR code on the phone, then scan the QR code displayed on the Ellipal Titan. Now I can close after the transaction, and I can click on complete here. Now the transfer is completed, and since it's Solana, it will take about 20 seconds to actually see that my balance got lower by 1 USD. So I'll be able to just refresh the app in like 20 seconds, and I'll see that it was transferred. And I'll also see on my other wallet that I have gotten. Yeah, you can see it's pending now. I think, yeah, maybe not yet, but it will be there at some point. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.